Hi friends, hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to discuss a very beautiful phenomena called emotional detox. So in life, each one of us plays many role as a mother, father, professional, brother, sister, friend, girlfriend, boyfriend. All these roles are quite important in life. Without these roles, what will be life? But when we are playing this role, we become so busy, we run after from one goal to another goal, which is good also. But when we are so busy, when we are catching the pace of the life, we often ignore our emotions or our thinking. And sometimes we don't even want to share those emotions or what we are thinking inside our heart. Sometimes we share, but sometimes we don't want to bother someone else कि हम इनको नहीं बताते, ये परेशान हो जाएंगे. But हम अंदर ही अंदर अपनी इमोशंस को जमा करते रहते हैं, सप्रेस्ड करते रहते हैं. उससे शरीर और मन में तनाव आने लगता है. चाहे आप उस तनाव को रिकॉग्नाइज करें या ना करें, पर वो आता ही है. In fact, being a coach, it's been more than 19 years I am meditating, I'm doing my pranayam, breathing exercises. But believe me, I also carry some kind of stress and some kind of emotions inside me. I realized when I was working on this program that कि मेरे अंदर भी कुछ परतें हैं, कुछ layers हैं जो जमा है. और उन लेयर्स को निकालना आसान है, कुछ मुश्किल नहीं है. बट हाँ, उसके लिए आपको थोड़ा सा अपने साथ बैठना पड़ेगा, समय निकालना पड़ेगा. सो आइए उस इमोशनल डिटॉक्स को आज हम फील करते हैं और उसके द्वारा अपने एक नए जीवन की शुरुआत करते हैं. So, first breathing exercise for emotional detox is the yogic breath. Very easy to do. So, what you can do, you can keep your any hand, right hand on the chest, left hand on your stomach. So, let's breathe in with a gentle smile and breathe out. सांस लीजिए, सांस छोड़िए. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. सांस इन, सांस छोड़े. And relax. So, this yogic breath you can do at least 10 to 15 breaths a day in the morning. And another breathing technique we are going to do to release the stress from the body and stress from the mind. Very effective tool for rinsing out all the emotions which are carrying in the different parts of the body. So, muthi bana lenge. Keep on your thighs. Breathe in gently. Pull your shoulders up like this. Very good. Up, up, up. And you have to lock your breath in this. And very slowly now release the breath. So when you're releasing the breath, you have to do the ha sound and अपनी मुट्ठी को आपने खोल देना है. फिर से करते हैं. Breathe in, pull your shoulders out. Lock your breath. Hold, 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 hold and release. एक बार फिर से कर लेते हैं, ये 3 बार करेंगे. ब्रीद इन, पुल योर शोल्डर्स अप, लॉक योर ब्रेथ, lock, 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 and release. So this is a very powerful tool, a AHA process. इसको आप 3 बार कर सकते हैं and very, very effective. Now, the third breathing technique, we can use it for any emotion, maybe for sadness and for anger. So आराम से बैठ जाते हैं. आप चाहें तो आंखें बंद कर सकते हैं या आंखें खोल के भी कर सकते हैं, आपकी मर्जी है. आंखें बंद करके करेंगे तो ज़्यादा फील करेंगे. ब्रीद इन एंड ब्रीद आउट. सांस लीजिए फिर से और धीरे से छोड़ें. So when you are breathing in, just feel the lower portion of the body, specifically your lower abdomen region and the upper abdomen region. सांस भरेंगे, पेट के निचले हिस्से को फुलाते हुए धीरे धीरे, छाती को फुलाते हुए और धीरे से सांस छोड़ेंगे. Once again, when you are breathing in, pull your abdomen outside, expand your chest, and very slowly now exhale. Once again, let's repeat this process. सांस भरते हुए पेट के निचले हिस्से को फुलाएं. Take your own time. फुलाएं, छाती को फुलाएं और बहुत धीरे धीरे सांस को छोड़ते जाए. एक बार और कर लेते हैं. ब्रीद इन, पुल योर लोअर abdomen, upper abdomen, expand your chest. When you're expanding your chest, your shoulders are slightly going up. And very slowly release the breath. So these are the few breathing techniques which you can do it every day. And besides that, I'm going to recommend you a brisk walk. At least for 15-20 minutes, you should walk every day. In case if you want to feel the peace and in case if you want to enhance the energy, walk is compulsory for every kind of stress. So, breathing exercise, 20 minutes of brisk walk, and emotional intelligence, the tools of emotional intelligence. In emotional intelligence, first of all, become aware about your emotions. So you're becoming aware कि अरे हाँ, मुझे ना कभी कभी गुस्सा आ जाता है, या मुझे रोज गुस्सा आता है, या मैं रोज इरिटेट हो जाता हूँ या हो जाती हूँ. Just become aware about your emotion. Then the second component is the perceiving the emotion. You're perceiving your own emotion and you're perceiving the other person's or other persons also. Specifically their emotions. Perceiving the emotion. Number 2, understanding the emotions. Then reasoning with emotions and regulating the emotions. These are the components in which we work on the emotional intelligence class. So perceiving the emotions, पहले आप aware हुए हैं ना, perceive से भी पहले का step है you're becoming aware, then you're perceiving the emotions, the other person's emotions. Reasoning with emotions. Reasoning with emotions means when you're applying the creative and the cognitive thinking. Creative thinking and cognitive thinking का combination बनता है reasoning with emotion. And the third is very beautiful component, understanding the emotion. जब तक आप अपने emotions को नहीं समझेंगे दोस्तों, तो बाकियों को कैसे समझोगे? So understanding the emotion. The fourth one is very, very important. It's called regulating the emotions. Emotional regulation. So, life का ये सबसे खूबसूरत skill है when you are starting the regulating your own emotions. That, oh, I need to work on my anger. Oh, I need to work on my fear. I need to work on my greed. I need to be more contented. I need to be more enthusiastic. I need to be more creative. So all these things, slowly you can work with the help of emotional intelligence and with the help of emotional detox. Thank you so much. मैं आशा करती हूँ कि आपको ये छोटी सी क्लास अच्छी लगी होगी. हम फिर मिलते हैं और अगले पूरे सेशन में अगर आप इमोशनल डिटॉक्स आपने ख़रीदा है तो पूरे सेशंस में सीक्वेंस में हम एक एक इमोशंस की परत को बता रहे हैं. धन्यवाद.